to make some fried pork chops for dinner. I'm gonna clean them with some vinegar. Let them sit in some vinegar and water for about 5 minutes. While our pork chops are soaking to be cleaned, we're going to take a freezer bag, open it up. We're going to put our seasonings in: black pepper, garlic powder, meat tenderizer that has salt in it, onion powder, paprika, and complete seasoning. Put all our seasoning in one bag. I'll mix it all up. See that? And that looks like a really nice seasoning. Look at that. Check out all those spices in there. And herbs. Okay. Alright, I am completely satisfied on how clean my pork chops are, because that water is looking a little pink. So we're going to clean them, rinse them off, and then we'll put our binder on. So I got a really big bowl, so that way I'm able to put my binder on all of them really good and evenly. I don't have any paper towels to dry out my pork chops, so we just have to shake them out. Shake them out. Now for my binder, I'm not going to use regular mustard. I'm using Dijon mustard. Let's give our fried pork chops a good flavor. Okay, so I gave it about 2 big squeezes of Dijon, and I'm going to show y'all something else to make these real tender and flavorful. Buttermilk. Not a whole lot to make them soaking wet, just enough to bind them things up. And we're going to add our seasonings. We're going to let them sit, and then we'll do our batter with our flour and our egg and our breadcrumbs, and we're going to fry them. Okay? A brand new bottle of buttermilk. Get about not that much. Let's work it out and see what it's doing. Sometimes, you know, you just gotta get real creative. Don't get creative where something's gonna be nasty now. But, you know, explore and experiment. Buttermilk is a very good agent for tenderizing, and so is mustard, a good binder. So we're gonna combine both of them. See how we got a nice thick looking binder? See that? All my seasonings are going to be sticking on this pork chop, and they're going to be tender. Yes, 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 yes. You see that? Whoa, look at that. And we're not even at the seasonings part yet. This is a good little marination and binder. I'm trying to tell you. Somebody's grandma ain't even hitting on my pork chops. Somebody's grandma ain't making them like me. What I'm going to do now is add half of my seasonings to my meat, and the other half we're going to put into our flour. Okay? So let's do that now. Oh yeah, y'all. Now look at that, y'all. If only y'all could smell that. Oh my goodness. All my seasonings are stuck onto my meat. They ain't going nowhere. Alright, we'll see when we go to dip them and flip them. Fry them and down. Flour first. Egg wash. Back into the flour. Oh, you can tell they're gonna be tender. Okay. See how this first one's gonna fry up.